Hi, and welcome to the video course Networking in Windows Server 2016, designed to help you prepare for and pass the 70-741 exam. The 741 exam is the second in a series of exams for the MCSA and MCSE certification. In this course, we're going to be going over topics related to networking. And so we'll start at the beginning with the TCP/IP protocol and IPv4 addressing. While these might be basic fundamentals, something that is not unique to Windows Server 2016, it's still something that you have to know in relation to network administration, regardless of the operating system. So how do we configure IPv4? How do we subnet? What's the purpose of subnetting? How do we utilize IPv6? How do we transition from IPv4 to IPv6? Those are going to be some of the subjects that we discuss. We're also going to look at some of the additional technologies that we use on IP networks, like DHCP. Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol is used to automatically configure IP addresses for clients when they boot up. Sounds simple, and it is a simple technology, but Windows Server 2016 does provide a number of different capabilities in relation to DHCP, and so we need to know how to install and configure DHCP servers. In addition to DHCP, we have DNS, which is a very critical service on a Windows network. It resolves user-friendly names to numeric IP addresses. In a Windows network, it also locates domain controllers, and so it's used for far more than just simple name resolution. We'll talk about installing DNS servers and configuring them, along with troubleshooting when things don't go right. We're going to look at a feature in Windows Server 2016 known as IP address management. Gives us the ability to pull in information from DHCP and DNS servers throughout the network and manage them from a central location. We'll also be looking at remote access. First, Windows Server 2016 does provide some unique capabilities in the area of something called direct access. It's a VPN alternative, and we'll discuss that at length, but Windows Server 2016 does also provide the ability to configure the server as a virtual private network server. We'll discuss the differences between the two and how to go about installing that. We're also going to look at some networking features that are designed specifically for branch offices, things like the distributed file system and branch cache. And then finally, we'll look at some of the advanced networking features that are available in relation to Hyper-V. With cloud computing on the rise, Microsoft has really invested time and effort into Hyper-V and software-defined networking capabilities, and those are certainly present in 2016 and do represent a lot of the unique and new features. So as I said, this course is designed to help you prepare for and pass the 70-741 exam, as well as give you the real-life experience that you'll need to work with Windows Server 2016 at your job. My name is Patrick Lohner, as I said, and I'm happy to be your instructor on this course. Let's get started.